So, Jim, thank you very much for another fantastic talk at Multicore World. And you are a regular now, so can you tell me why Multicore World? What brings you here?
Well, obviously the best part about Multicore World is the side discussions, the interactions with the lists of invitees and the speakers that you assemble.
Fantastic.
Very glad to be part of that. Yeah.
I'm really happy. Now, let's talk about your talk, which you have been presenting the work of your organization the last time and previous that. How did it evolve? Can you tell us how the process of co-design or the project that you have been involved has been changing over the years? We have a hiatus with COVID. Where are you going and what happens after you finish?
Very good. So yes, I described and touched on a laboratory-directed R&D program at Pacific Northwest National Lab that I first mentioned when you first invited me to join you at Multicore World. And at that point in time, the project was just launching. We're now in the 5th year of the initiative. And so we have a lot of products. We've been developing a lot of capabilities that I think are aligned with your philosophy, because we've been very much paying attention to taking the capabilities, the tools that we have, and sharing them, releasing them as open source. And these are tools for application drivers to help us with a co-design process, the development of the software stack to support our multi-dimensional applications and how they map to our concepts for heterogeneous computing architectures, and then the development of actually open source hardware design tools for helping us design advanced architecture concepts.
Well, that's an interesting topic, because I mean, as an independent organization, non-government affiliate, but also not funded by the US taxpayer that funds you,
Right.
Is there a potential room for collaboration? Because a few years ago you were so kind to send a letter of support for our own proposal,
Yeah.
but is this something that, instead of expecting funding from the New Zealand government, is something that we can join forces in a sort of joint venture? Is your organization charter allow for that?
Well, certainly we view very strongly that there's benefit to develop open source tools and capabilities, not just as a way to distribute capability, but as a way to actually be a catalyst for collaboration. And so, yes, very much so. If there are ways we can use our open source capabilities as a vehicle or a foundation for a longer term collaboration, we definitely want to explore that.
Thank you very much, Jim. Thank you very much again.
Okay, you're welcome, Nick.
Pleasure.
All right, thank you, Nicholas.
And it was Nicholas reporting from the West.
Reporting from Wellington.